The Dirty Glass from this, their gold album, Blackout. Here they are, Dropkick Murphys.
Shut me off, then you showed me the door.
But you always came crawling back, begging me for more. I showed you kindness and stole any tail.
Then you poured me my pain in a dirty glass.
Yeah, you left a better bloody painless and poor.
Now I often start to wonder how you made it through my door.
My brothers knew not to duplicate registry ID.
Well, you bit up more than you could chew the first day you met me.
Dusty, dusty, darling dear, you left me dying, crying there in whiskey, gin, and pints of beer. I'll give you my darling dear.
You weren't the first to call me mister, you won't be the last.
Oh, I'm sure it wasn't honey.